Ashes of the hollow. Devour the tether to the grave of our sins. In the depths of my decay, I found my wings burned by your hands, forced through the screams. Every lie you planted bloomed in black, a withering garden. No way back. You carved a hole inside my dreams, a void where hope once used to bleed. Made me nothing but a breathless shell, a memory lost in your personal hell. Torn from the womb of fight's reverence, I sever the anchor to my penitence. I transcend your ruin, I won't crawl. No ghost of you will bind my soul. Ashes of the hollow, dust of broken kings. I am reborn beyond your deadened wings. Writhe in the wreckage of your own design. I'm the fracture, the cut in your spine. You held me captive inside your fears. Now watch me eclipse your withered years. Scourge of your venom, I'll tear it apart. No chains remain on my ravenous heart. No grave for my hate, no monument for regret. I walk through the flames, I won't forget. Drip, drip, your worth leaks into dust. Crack, crack, I shatter your trust. No heavy damn truck, no return your rust. I transcend your ruin, I won't crawl. No ghost of you will bind my soul. Ashes of the hollow, dust of broken kings. I am reborn beyond your deadened wings. Empty space was all you left behind, but in the nothing I ascend. I transcend your ruin, I won't crawl. No ghost of you will bind my soul. Ashes of the hollow, dust of broken kings. I am reborn beyond giganted wings. Will earthquakes into dust. Crack, 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 I shatter your trust. No redemption.